So I've done a couple already, and I've done this, so I'm going to try the intermediate test banks next in this list. So I just started at the first one, 219, 220. I have to work on my way down to 215, but I'm not really sure where my other courses are because I have back to 212. Okay, so there's nothing in this first assessment folder. So the next folder I'm on is intermediate test bank. Now what I do is I click on one and then I can check. Oh, you can't see, but I have downloaded some. So here we have two are downloaded. The last two, so show in folder, and this one is PRPW, which is the writing course. And sorry, documents, test doc, archive courses, and I just put 2019, and here we go. So the way I'm labeling them is, this is PRPW, which is writing. So I'll rename. I just rename this part here. So this just makes it easier. And the second one, I can't access it because of the Screencast-O-Matic is stuck on it. Let me see if I can go to downloads. I think we have to also, I think we have to download the archived one also. So here it is, the archive. So copy that over to my own folder, which is here. And I put PRPW, I just rename that to Kafan writing. Oh, sorry, yeah. Okay, now I have to do the assessment folder. So again, click on the assessment folder and go to packages and utilities, export. So I think you know this one. And now here I've got the archive file, but I don't have the export package, so I'm doing both of them. So for export, I need rights. So I need all the content areas. I don't know what this part. Yes, I take everything. I don't have blogs, calendar, no. Content alignments, no. Create center columns and settings. No. Rubrics, yes. Settings. I don't think I need all that. I don't need these things. Test survey pools, yes, and wikis I don't need, and tasks I don't need. Okay, so then I submit that part. Now I'm not sure. Oh, where is it? It's not there. It's content. Service pools, rubrics I need. Create column, center, settings, announcements. Right, so that should be it. So I click submit. And refresh maybe. Anyway, I thought that it would just appear here. Right, so it doesn't. Ah, there it is now. It must take a few minutes to appear. So then you get to open and also the archive open. And when they come down, I leave them and go to and do another one while I'm waiting for them to download. So that's the test bank done. Get back out to my courses. Theories of Applied Learning 1. I don't know why I have 2 courses there. I have 2 classes. It's so weird. Anyway, I'll just download both of them. Like, this isn't my Blackboard. I don't know how that's okay. Right. So export all the content areas. That's really the most important. And then announcements and rubrics and okay, right. And archive. So this one, I think everything's good there. Submit again. Or maybe I have to include the grade history. No, I don't think so. So, refresh. It just takes a moment, I guess. So now I can go back to the downloads for the last course, which is going to be my downloads folder. Just refresh that, and so this is the intermediate assessment course. It's complete now at 11:01. And just copy it over to my desktop. You know all this, I'm sure, anyway, but just for the labeling, I guess. So it's intermediate assessment, so I would just put assessment so I know what it is. And fall, yeah. And refresh this meantime. I don't know why it's not there. Okay, and then back to the downloads for this previous one. So now I'm doing the theories of applied learning. So I need to know why this isn't. There it is. Oh, I've got it done twice. So again, I can start the whole thing over again. I'm just going to finish this folder for 2000, and so I have it here as 2019. I've actually managed to spell that wrong. Right, so there it is, desktop. Let me correct the spelling. 2019 to 20. So I need to create a new folder for the next one. Okay, so I'll have a look now at what those are. Courses, so that's I'm not showing that. Right, okay, so what right, So this is the one I've done. So that's last year's fall. So this is this year's fall. And then this one, and this one, and this one. So, and then the remedial courses. And all these courses have to have a separate folder with their... yes, I need to put the fall semester on the title on the folder as well. So that has to be worked up. Okay, so that's kind of it. I better stop here.